Hey there, Dr. Ayuddin here, and today I'm going to talk about laser hair removal. It's an old topic, and you must be wondering why I'm talking about laser hair removal today. That's because many patients ask me to talk about laser hair removal in English. Alright, so let's begin. You must be surprised to know that our entire skin is covered with hair, but it's not visible to our naked eyes because it is fine and pale. But when this hair become darker and coarser, it become uncomfortable for our people. So especially for women, hairs on the face, neck, armpits, and around the breast, lower abdomen, thighs, legs, and for men, shoulders, chest, and the back can become uncomfortable for them. Now that is the time we should consider laser hair removal. Now let us understand what's hair removal. In the past, so many methods were available to remove hair, that is unwanted excess hair, like shaving, waxing, plucking, and hair removal creams. All are messy and maybe uncomfortable, and every 3 to 4 days you may have to redo that. For long-term hair removal, electrolysis were popular and effective, but it like a long time and it can lead to scarring, and you will require multiple sitting even for a small area like upper lip. In electrolysis, what we do is we pass one needle with current to each individual hair follicle, and we have to destroy each individual follicle one by one. That's where laser hair removal comes. It is more comfortable with less side effects, and will get faster results. And what is this laser hair removal? For any laser, there is some target tissue, target area where this laser light is gonna act. In hair removal, there is melanin present in the hair follicle, deep in the skin. So this laser light, when it's passed through the skin, melanin present in the hair follicle will absorb this light, and this light energy will be converted into heat. And with this heat, hair follicles are destroyed. And even a small size of laser beam will destroy multiple hair follicles. That is the difference between electrolysis and the laser. Electrolysis, as I said, one needle has to pass through one hair follicle to destroy that follicle. Whereas in laser, in one shot, multiple follicles are destroyed. And moreover, most of the laser present today has got cooling device. That means before the laser pass through the skin, there may be some little bit of discomfort. To get rid of that pain or this discomfort, this cooling device or some other effective method so that you won't feel any pain. If at all the patient feel any pain, we can apply a numbing cream so that they won't feel any pain at all. What can you expect? Laser hair removal is not a single sitting procedure. You will require multiple sittings. We usually tell 5 to 6 sittings in a gap of 1 to 2 months. And even after 6 sittings, you might require another 5 to 6 sittings for a good results. And some patient, even after that, a regular touch-up like 1 or 2 sittings per year may be required, especially when you have some hormonal problem and PCOD, like that, under any underlying disease which causes hormonal imbalance. There are different types of lasers like diode laser, long pulse NDI laser, or diode with RF energy lasers, and all will give this permanent hair reduction. There are some laser which has got a mode. With that mode, we can treat any area faster than the normal. Previously, we had to do a stamping method. That is, each area like we had to do like this, like this, like this, like this. Now that we have got a painting mode, there are the laser what we use is most of the lasers what we use for the hair removal is it has got a painting mode. In that small area we can select and we can just like a painting we can finish it off very fast. Actually, if you want to remove, it will take only 5 minutes. Upper lip another 5 minutes. Whole body might take 45 minutes. So it's that fast now. This latest devices offer. And regarding the side effects, there is no side effects if you have done the laser properly. And with the experienced hands, you won't get any side effects. If at all it is there, that is temporary. There is no permanent side effects if done properly. You might feel the redness or a slight swelling. That is all temporary. It will go off on its own, maybe 1 or 2 days. If at all you get any blisters or something and pigmentation, that will go away. That's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like it, please comment and subscribe. Please take care of yourself and be safe. God bless. Namaste.